Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. 1. Which of the following processes occurs in the mitochondria? A. Glycolysis. B. Krebs cycle. C. Calvin cycle. D. Transcription. Answer: B. Krebs cycle. Explanation: the Krebs cycle, citric acid cycle, takes place in the mitochondria and is a key step in cellular respiration, producing ATP and electron carriers. 2. Which part of the human brain is responsible for maintaining balance and posture? A. Medulla oblongata. B. Hypothalamus. C. Cerebellum. D. Cerebrum. Answer: C. Cerebellum. Explanation: the cerebellum coordinates voluntary movements, balance, and posture. 3. What is the function of hemoglobin in red blood cells? A. Transport of nutrients. B. Defense against pathogens. C. Transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide. D. Clotting of blood. Answer: C. Transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Explanation: hemoglobin binds oxygen in the lungs and carries it to tissues, while also transporting carbon dioxide back to the lungs. 4. Which of the following is a C4 plant? A. Wheat. B. Rice. C. Sugarcane. D. Mango. Answer: C. Sugarcane. Explanation: sugarcane is a C4 plant, using the Hatch-Slack pathway for more efficient carbon fixation in hot, dry climates. 5. What is the role of insulin in the human body? A. Increase blood sugar levels. B. Decrease blood sugar levels. C. Digest proteins. D. Regulate blood pressure. Answer: B. Decrease blood sugar levels. Explanation: insulin, secreted by the pancreas, lowers blood sugar by promoting glucose uptake into cells. 6. What is the primary function of lymph nodes? A. Transport oxygen. B. Filter blood. C. Filter lymph and trap pathogens. D. Store nutrients. Answer: C. Filter lymph and trap pathogens. Explanation: lymph nodes filter lymphatic fluid, trapping bacteria, viruses, and other harmful substances. 7. What happens during photophosphorylation in plants? A. ATP synthesis using light energy. B. Breakdown of glucose. C. Fixation of nitrogen. D. Production of NADH. Answer: A. ATP synthesis using light energy. Explanation: photophosphorylation is the process where light energy is used to produce ATP in chloroplasts during photosynthesis. 8. Which type of RNA carries the genetic code from DNA to the ribosome? A. rRNA. B. tRNA. C. mRNA. D. cRNA. Answer: C. mRNA. Explanation: messenger RNA, mRNA, transcribes genetic information from DNA and delivers it to ribosomes for protein synthesis. 9. Which type of ecological pyramid is always upright? A. Pyramid of biomass. B. Pyramid of energy. C. Pyramid of numbers. D. None of the above. Answer: B. Pyramid of energy. Explanation: the pyramid of energy is always upright because energy decreases at each successive trophic level. 10. Which hormone is responsible for the ripening of fruits? A. Cytokinin. B. Auxin. C. Ethylene. D. Gibberellins. Answer: C. Ethylene. Explanation: ethylene is a plant hormone that promotes fruit ripening and senescence. Please subscribe for more video. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.